the Indian mentality is. Like, we just want a secure job that can actually pay us every single month, and I think that would just suffice our daily needs, our expenses, our goals, the dreams, aspirations, and everything. But I don't think so. Like, for me, 9 to 5 is going to suffice all of those things, and most of us, that's why living a very mediocre life. We are just completely fine working for a 9 to 5 job from Monday to Friday, and we think like we are secure through a lifetime. We are going to get paid every starting of the month. So that's what like gives you some kind of security, and which is fine. But that's what the Indian mentality is. That's what has been, you know, happened in the past, and it's still happening to a lot of people right now. Obviously, we are going to get secured, we are going to start getting paid every single month. But do you think like that kind of pay will actually fulfill all your dreams and desires? That's the main question. And if the answer is no, then this video is for you. And I'm not here to change anyone's mentality. I'm just here to give you a good idea. Like, if you were to start a business, what everything comes with it. Starting a business from scratch is one of the most hardest thing anyone can do. There's multiple businesses that you can start right from your home. In this specific video, I'll be personally going over what do I do, what kind of business do I run. There's a saying, if you want to make money, help people make money. So the phrase that I just said, it means if you can help someone make money, then eventually you will also make money. That's what we are doing, and that's like the main purpose behind running this business. What we are doing is we are helping our clients making more money. They are paying our retainer, and that's how we both are making good money. You can call it a social media marketing agency. What do? We work with international businesses, especially in US and different countries. And what do we provide? We provide different marketing services to get our clients more money, more business. So talking about how did I started my marketing agency, there's a lot of videos on my YouTube channel how exactly I did that, but just to keep it extremely short in this video, I can only say this: like, I started in 2020, started getting my first few clients. Obviously initially it was extremely hard to sign clients, but right now it's extremely easy. Why? Because it's all compounding effect. We are in the flow, we are in the momentum, and most of the people do recognize a brand name and us. So right now it's far more easy to sign clients in comparison to like 2020. It was extremely hard. Talking about when did I actually register my business, I would say after a year running my business successfully, I finally me and my partner reached out to CA, and we finally got a business registered. And that's where like things started to take like a turn in terms of like filing taxes, and everything started to feel like we are running a company. When I first started out, I started alone. Now we do have like big team, we do have big team, and we have a team of 25 people, and our expenses sometimes go above like $15,000-$20,000. Talking about in the month of November, our expense got like somewhere around $12,000 to $13,000. It includes our employee expenses, it includes our paying for different softwares, refunds and whatnot. This is how everything goes when you run a business. There's expenses involved. When I first started out, our expense used to be nothing, nothing, literally nothing. And now when we pay like, when we do our accounting by the end of the month, and if we see like, our expense has gotten $20,000, $25,000, we do feel like, obviously we have built something real, but at the same time, the risk is extremely high. So you always have to look around the fact of risk and reward ratio. It should a little close. If the gap is extremely big between risk and reward, I think most of the time people do lose. When the risk and the reward gap is extremely big, it should be close, and that's why you gotta be good at analyzing things out. It's the end of the year, and we do work with US clients, and there's a lot of holidays coming up. Last month, I think that was Thanksgiving, right? So we are approaching a lot of new holidays, and sometimes in this holiday season, everything starts to get a little slow. But I would say business is doing good, but just to let you know, how much did we hit in terms of the revenue last month? I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you like whatever I'm saying sitting down here is actually true. Alright guys, hopefully if you can see my screen. So this is our current Stripe dashboard. So you can see here, this is the month of November. Alright, it's still loading here. It's from 1st November to 30th November. So our total revenue was 26 lakhs. And this is just Stripe. We also did collected like I think 5-7 lakhs more on different platforms like Wise, our US bank accounts and whatnot. So this is our last month revenue, right? So this is what we actually collected in last month. We refunded for 43,000. This is just from Stripe. We also did issued other refunds too. So this is like, I just wanted to show you so that like you guys know what I'm talking about. You guys should have a clear view and good idea whatever I'm talking about. Now I've showed you how much we did last month. So this video was, specifically for the people who are in dilemma whether they should start a business or they should just, work in a 9-to-5 job, right? And my whole point of shooting this video is do whatever you're feeling like. Make a list of all the aspirations you have in your life. How does your lifestyle looks currently and what exactly do you need it to look like in the future? And then think like, does your current pay actually accommodate it, in terms of the expenses? Whether your current pay can actually help you buy those things. This video is not like, from a materialistic point of view. This video is like more of like, are you even fulfilling all the dreams you had from your childhood? Whatever you wanted to do, whatever you wanted to buy, wherever you wanted to travel, that type of the freedom you actually needed, that's where this video is coming from. This video is not coming from the side of, buying materialistic things in your life, but actually making money via business. That's not the point of this video. And to be honest, I started this business from scratch, and I mean 0 rupees, $0, right? If I can do it, then I think it's just a matter of time for you guys to also achieve kind of business that I've built over the last 3-4 years. I hope you did got some value out of this video. The only intention of creating this video was to make you guys realize there's potential in running a business, and especially starting your own social media marketing agency. Some people do say like it's kind of late to start in social media marketing agency. I would say competition is extremely high. The market is very saturated, but if you do the right things with using the right frameworks, everything starts to work out. But anyways guys, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you got some value. Keep taking action and all the very best. Bye.